Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in CREO software. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. I need to reach 1k subscribers within a month. So you can see I choose this drawing to do the 3D model. All the dimensions are mentioned in the mm. The base dimension is 150 and 100. Thickness is 15 mm. I will start with base, new, part solid, give the name, select MMNS part solid, select plane, sketch, select center rectangle, give the dimension 150, this is 100, click OK, extrude after 15 mm. You can see top side there is a one pipe. The pipe diameter is 16 mm outer dia, 40 mm inner dia, and length is 50 mm. That select plane, sketch, select circle, give the dimension 60 mm, this is 40 mm, this length from the bottom is 80 plus 15, 95 mm. Click OK, extrude, select mid plane here 50 mm. After that you can see 4 sides rib is there. I will create this 15 mm thickness rib first. That select mid plane, sketch, select line, click OK, select rib, profile rib, give the thickness 15 mm, click OK. You can see there is a one more rib, that is 10 mm thickness. That select plane, sketch, select line, give the dimension here to here 20 mm, click OK, select rib, thickness is 10 mm, click OK, select same rib, select mirror, select mid plane, click OK. After that you can see there is a 4 corners fillet chamfer is there. That select round, give the dimension 10 mm, select the edges, click OK. The finally holes only pending. Holes diameter is 10 mm, dimension is 20 each side. That select surface, sketch, So no need to sketch, we can do it in a whole future also. So I will do like that only. Select hole, it's a simple hole, diameter is 10 mm. Select the point, give the dimension, this is 20 mm and this also 20. So here depth is through hull, click OK. So one hole has created. Select hole, mirror, mirror. Just a minute, I will turn on the planes because I need to do mirror. So select hole, mirror, select this plane, click OK. Again select both, mirror, select mid plane, OK. So that's it friends, thanks for watching this video. So we can save this part, Ctrl S. So thanks for watching this video friends. Please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thank you friends.